In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic travel intro animation featuring a text reveal for the phrase, explore and travel. This is perfect for enhancing your YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok travel content, adding a professional and captivating touch to your videos. Let's dive right in by first opening Canva. Canva is a versatile tool for creating all kinds of designs, and today we're focusing on video content. Once you have Canva open, locate and click the Create a Design button to get started. From the available options, select Video, which is ideal for our purpose. This choice will give us the perfect canvas size and functionality for adding our animations and text effects. The next step is to set the scene by adding a travel-themed background. In the left-hand panel of Canva, there's a section for photos and videos. When you click on it, a search bar will appear. Here, you can type in various keywords that capture the essence of travel, such as travel, mountains, ocean, or explore. As you browse through the available images or videos, find one that speaks to your vision and drag it onto the canvas. This will automatically set it as the background of your animation, establishing the mood for what comes next. Now, it's time to introduce our text. On the left toolbar, you'll see the text option. Click on it, and then choose Add a Heading. This opens up a new text box on your canvas where you'll type Explore and Travel. To make this phrase really stand out, select a bold, modern font. Some great choices might be Anton, League Spartan, Babas Neue, or Montserrat Extra Bold. Once selected, make sure to adjust the size to match your background and center it nicely on the canvas for good composition. Let's bring that text to life with animation. Click on the text box to activate it, and then navigate to the Animate option located in the top toolbar. This is where the magic happens. Under Text Animations, you'll find several effects like typewriter, fade, or rise, which deliver elegant reveals. If you're seeking something with more impact, try pop or stomp. These animations will add a dynamic feel to your text reveal. For fine-tuning, click on the timer icon or adjust at the bottom to set the animation duration between 3 and 5 seconds. This duration ensures a smooth and professional-looking reveal. If you want to elevate the project further, consider animating the background as well, using effects like zoom or pan to keep everything visually interesting. Just click on the background image or video, navigate to Animate, and choose your desired effect. Finally, ensure everything looks great by centering the text and ensuring it's legible against the background. Test your animation by clicking the play button and make any necessary adjustments to the timing or animations. With these steps, your travel intro animation will shine, ready to captivate viewers on any platform.